Hello friends, welcome to Sai Techno channel, and today we'll see how to create chart in Excel. So Excel in chart, it's very important. So when you're creating the showing the performance between month to month or result for the students, one term to other terms, okay, result of one year to other year, or any comparison will be there. Then we are using the chart. So when you have, it's very easy. I'll see you first. You have to be go and open the MS Excel. So it's very easy chart. It's required to be explained well, because when you are doing any meeting or any you are explaining to the somebody else, so you should have a to explain with the chart. So the chart is what happened. So when you explain with the chart, it will be understandable very easily, and it is very comparable. See, first you have to be create one table. See, I'm creating the table of one. You should have one table, or maybe the mark list, or maybe your sales list, or maybe your company is there, your sales will be there monthly wise or year wise. Okay, so your maybe your showrooms are there. Okay, that is the comparison excels, or you may see the salary of the employees. Okay, so these are when you are doing the comparison, you can understand very easily, and it is make you somewhat better. So before going to create a chart, we should have one table. Any kind of table may be there. So depend upon your work, you can keep the table. See, you should have one table. So I am making a table small and easily. So if you already is there, it's very good. Or else, otherwise you can also create one table. See, suppose I have created like this content one table already I created. So I am making you to be how to be create exactly, and how to be understand, how to be do the comparison, how to be edit the Excel also. Okay. So here you can see I have one this already content is there table. So when you want to be take, see, this is coming normal in the words. So if you want to be make the comparison, see, suppose Ved is there, he English, Hindi, he got maths and science marks are there. If you want to make the comparison also, you can make the comparison. First I'm keeping here total. So how many, so total also, see, just you click here and go to here auto sum option. When you click the auto sum option, so automatically will come there. Here you have to be select the range. So here C2 to column G2, just already showing it, C2 to G2, just to press the enter, it will come the automatically total. Okay, is to make the again when it down coming plus symbol, where you click and drag down. So when you click, it coming the automatically total options. Okay, this is I made normal. You can make somewhat attractive table. So if you want to be make there, as now you want to be make a chart, first you have to be selected. If without selecting, what happened, chart will not be work. See, suppose I go in inside, if I select any kind of chart, see here column chart is there, line chart is there, pie chart is there, bar chart is there, area chart is there. These are the kind of charts which are you looking, you seeing the view. This is come the same exactly. See, I am selecting a pie chart. Okay, this kind of a 2D, but it's coming the blank because I did not select the table. Because when you teaching the students, if you make, you tell the prepare chart, so what they'll do, they'll type and they'll get lot of confused how to make the chart as well. So it's very clear, first they have to be select the table. If the table they not selected table, so it will not come the chart. See, I'm selected table, the range whatever I have done, then I will go to the insert option, then I will select the which kind of chart I want. Suppose I have taken here column chart. Here many of column chart as a cylinder you can get. So then you can see here, this is showing the table in the chart. You can see here downside subjects are there, English, Hindi, maths, how many marks you got. This is the total. Okay, and this is the range, they will be mentioned automatically come the chart. So if you want to see total is coming, it's look very only total is there. If you want to remove that one, just you can be delete here total, so automatically go away. So this is, you can see it changes. Or you want to be Avinish name is there, you want to change the name of Avinish, somewhat is you want to be Sai you want, or somewhat whatever you want, you can be keep the names. Okay, I'm writing Sai Rudra. So this just I press enter, so automatically you can change here, this is the name of Sai Rudra. So like this, if subject is there, you want to change the subject of this one, instead of you are taken Hindi, instead of you have taken Telugu or Kannada language you have taken, just I am putting here Kannada language, Kannada. So you can change here as a Kannada. So this is the making the chart easy way, because students are very getting confused.